Hi, Steve Gordon here, your friendly neighborhood carpet repair guy. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you came in your house and you saw that your dog just ripped the heck out of your carpet and you need a carpet patch, or your cat, or you might need a carpet patch for some other reason. And you're probably somewhere around the Metroplex, anywhere between Dallas, Fort Worth, or within that territory of 50, 70 miles or so from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if that's you, you've come to the right place. This short video is going to answer a few questions you may have about carpet patching. Okay, so most people, when they think about carpet patching, it's because they don't want to buy a whole new carpet. You may have 4 bedrooms and a hallway and a stairway and a living room and a dining room, and one little area got destroyed. Or there was some sort of remodel, and the carpet matches throughout the whole house. And you don't want to have to buy new carpet throughout the whole house just because of one little problem, because that could cost you $5,000, $10,000 or something like that. No, what you want to do is you want to patch the carpet. So if you have any extra carpet left over from the original installation, that would be ideal to use that. If you don't have any extra carpet left over from the installation, from the original installation, then you're going to want to take some carpet from a closet to do the patch with, and then you can buy some of the carpet to put back into the closet. Now, how is the carpet going to look when we're done? That's another one of the questions people have. If the carpet that we're patching into the area, in other words, the donor carpet, is brand new, it's never been walked on, it's been in the closet or in a garage, it's not faded out, there's no wear pattern on it, and you take that new carpet and you put it right in the middle of a traffic path where you've been walking over it with you and your kids and the elephants and the horses and everything else for the last several years or 10 years, well, that brand new carpet as a patch in a traffic path is going to be visible. There's just no two ways about it. It's going to look a lot better than a carpet that's destroyed, certainly, and it'll fade in a little bit, but it'll never look just right. On the other hand, if you have carpet that's like new and you replace it with carpet that's new or like new, it's going to look a lot better. Berber Carpet Repair and short nap carpet shows the patches more than long or thick plush carpet. Question people will often have is, how do I know that this mess isn't going to come back again? In other words, is the patch going to come up? And I say no, it'll never come up. I give you a 100% absolutely unconditional, unlimited lifetime labor guarantee, and that means that either you or your carpet's going to wear out before you have any trouble at all with the patch we do for you, or else we will come back and fix it again at no charge at all. So that's the guarantee. That's what we can do. We'll patch your carpet up real nice, so please call me. We're here in the Metroplex area. We'll do a beautiful job for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my short video, and watch the next one. Bye.